Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There's a brand new airdrop you don't want to miss, and it's coming from one of the hottest meme coins on the Base chain right now, Brett. They're giving away an airdrop worth up to $15,000 in Brett tokens. Yes, $15,000, and the best part is you don't need to spend a single dollar to claim it. All you have to do is visit BrettOnBase.org ***. That's the official site for the airdrop. Right now, Brett is trading at just $0.027, and that's a huge opportunity. This project already hit over $2 billion in market cap before the market pulled back, and now it's sitting around $300 million. That means there's serious potential for another big move. The team behind Brett is showing massive support for the community with this airdrop. You don't need to hold any Brett, and you don't need to spend anything to claim. They've also partnered with Hodlini Swap, giving users 0% trading fees. Combine that with the momentum Base is gaining as Ethereum gas fees rise, and you got one of the strongest meme coins setups this cycle. Smart investors know when prices are low and everyone else is fearful, that's when the best opportunities show up. This airdrop could be your perfect entry. Go to BrettOnBase.org ***, claim your Brett, and let us know in the comments how much you received. Are you bullish on Brett this cycle? We'd love to hear what you think. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.